Hi guys, welcome to Hex tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a balloon text step by step using canva.com. Okay, so let's go to my Canva account, and if you don't have yet a Canva account, just check the link in the description below for you to open a free account in Canva. Okay, so let's go to create a balloon text to design. So maybe I want it Instagram post, just to demonstrate. So now we are in a blank page to create a design. So just go to elements, type balloon, balloon letters, and that's it. We can choose a different color of balloon letters. There are blue, there are pink. Okay, so let's try what word we're gonna write. So let's go welcome. So let's just welcome W and make it smaller. Oh, silver, we can choose silver. Letter L, blue balloon. So there are already words in here. It's a balloon text. Just see all and choose birthday, followers, numbers. There are numbers in here. Happy 2023. So that's how easy to create a balloon text using canva.com. So again, if you don't have an account in Canva, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want more Canva text effect, I'll just leave the link in the description below. I have already a video in that. So thank you and see you in the next video.